What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the 17-foot Mako rebuild. We got 4 of the flush mounted speakers that we made in the other video completed. We're gonna clean these up, take the big hole saw that I got here and get the holes cut out, and then get these glassed and glued and glassed in on the back side. That is gonna be really close fit. So we got it marked where we're going to put the center of the drill bit there and there. Let's get this thing going and hold on tight. A tight fit. Alright guys, we got the 2 pods fiberglassed into the center console on each side. They are coming out awesome. So now I gotta do the bow pods. So what I gotta do next is cut this liner out. Once we cut this liner out, we can fiberglass in our other pods here and get this thing cleaned up and faired out. Alright guys, got the pods glassed in, they're nice and solid. We are now going to take a Dremel and cut the edges a little more so they're flush with the mold. I got my thickened epoxy mixed with silica. Gonna get this void filled up and all the edges filled up all around with the thicken epoxy. Alright, so now we've got all these nice and glued in. Voids all filled up on all of them. We're gonna let this cure for a little bit. Once it hardens up, come back, sand it down, fair it out, sand it again, and it should be ready to go. Alright guys, it's a new day. Bearing compound is dry and ready to be sanded. So let's get this nicely sanded down and see how it looks and go from there. Alright guys, you can't tell me that does not look good. Bro, that is some cool stuff going on right here with the center console. That's the unfinished one. This is the finished. Alright guys, this pretty much wraps up the video on how to install the flush mounted speaker pods. As you can see, they are pretty sweet. Show you guys there, show you the bow mounts. Still got to do a little bit of sanding, but for the most part it is there. So yeah, if you want this custom look on your rebuild, I'm going to be selling these pods on the website Olas BoatWorks.com. This is what you'll be getting. I'll sell them in 2, 4, and 6 packs. Just order them on, like I said, on LosOlasBoatWorks.com. Support your boy. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and until next time.